Today we are going to be looking at what my husband calls champagne glass lights. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box. My husband and I are going to install them, and we're going to give you our honest opinion. The seller did send these to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are our own. If you're not comfortable working with electricity, please hire a professional. This is packaged very well to protect it during shipping. In the box, you're going to have the instructions as well as the lights and all of the hardware to install these. To access the hardware, remove the beauty caps and the washers. This will allow you access to the bracket, as well as the red bags that have the screws and wire nuts you'll need to install these. Also in the bags, you are going to find these two black rubber caps that go over the sensors for the dusk to dawn feature. This will allow you to test them once you install them. Go ahead and remove any existing lighting, and then install the new brackets where you removed the old ones. Then you're going to connect the black wire with the black wire using the wire nuts, the white wire with the white wire using the wire nuts, and then wrap your ground wire around the green screw and tighten it down. As always, if you are not comfortable working with electricity, please hire a professional, and always make sure the power is off to the fixture before you start working on it. Once you have the wire nuts connected, go ahead and push the light over the screws. If your screws are too long or too short for the beauty caps, you can adjust them in the back before you put the beauty caps on. Then put your washer on and screw on the beauty cap.
Nothing.
Oh my goodness, they look amazing. We're going to come back at night and see how they look in the dark, but they look great right now. Thanks to the magic of the internet, we are now, 8 hours into the future, and you can see what they look like when they're on at night. These automatically came on at dusk. You can turn them off using a switch and then turn them right back on. They are absolutely gorgeous, and I love the design of these. Look at how they pop on, and they look like a champagne glass. It's incredible. If you are looking for new porch lights, we would highly recommend these. They were easy to install and they look fantastic.